Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and book Qatar Airways using your student club ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing you would do is you gotta go to your browser and access qatarairways.com/en/student club. Right, once you have done so, you're gonna get to this official website of theirs where you're gonna find this kind of interface where it is especially for the student club. So if you go down to the bottom, you will find this option of join now. You're gonna tap on this join now and simply join to their student club, entering your information. And the other thing, that if you already have the student club, you're the member of it, then when you sign up in your email, you will find a promo code especially for all of the student club members. So likewise, when you go to this book section of yours and simply try to flight schedule and book yourself a flight to anywhere you look according to your location, you will hit that in the checkout option. You will find this payment section, right, where you will be able to add in your promo code. With that promo code, you will be able to receive a certain amount of discount which will be provided by the student club. Right, once we have tapped on the find flights, complete our flights, and the checkout section and the promo code, and that is how you can book yourself a flight with the student club privilege and simply get the discount as well. That is the simplest way. Make sure to remember that code that you will get on email. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.